What's up, guys? So today basically what I'm going to be doing is just playing Animal Company. As you know, I have diamond pickaxe. Well, you may not know that, but like, who cares? Okay, so don't have anything else more about that. And I have 43,000. How do you get 43,000? Well, I'll show you. So basically what you're going to need is a pickaxe and something. Well, you don't need a grappler basically, but I recommend it because I recommend a grappler or something, or a ray gun, at least heart gun, because those, they could grab stuff. Like the heart gun can grab the blue crystals, which you can't, or else it flips you upside down. So that's why I recommend one of these. No, I'll just grapple onto the roof so I don't get eaten by monster. By the way, guys, if you want to know how to... So basically what you want to do, you want to turn your Wi-Fi off. So, like this, here. For your Wi-Fi, turn it off, walk through the door, turn it back on, get out of your menu, and like push yourself till you see this step right here is like before you. And then once you do that, it should reconnect here in a second. You see when it reconnects, you'll have back, all your stuff will be back in your hands, and you'll have everything. I'm gonna switch my hands real quick because I'm more comfortable like this. Usually I put my grappler down sometimes. So this is the gravity room. This is the best way to make money. Well, second I think, or first. Now do not grab the blue crystals with your hands because you will turn upside down. This is an example of how much you will make just with a few. And don't let the heart touch you. If it does, it damages you. And look how much it does. It barely does any, but it still damages you, and who wants to be damaged? Okay, so you want these blue crystals. Now the red ones you could grab with your hands, but I recommend the blue ones. That's why I bring a grappler and sometimes a ray gun so I can grab the blue ones with my ray gun instead of my hand so it won't flip me upside down. So you just want to get any blue crystals that you find. See, there's some down here. Now there usually will be some down there because they're really hard to find sometimes. Like I went in a lobby today and I could barely even find one. Like I found one. And this is an example. Okay, well, frick, hold up. Don't fall, please. Oh my gosh, I fell. Okay, well, if you fall, it's okay. Just try to get just try to get back where you were or something. Like you see, I was mining right there and I left my grappler up there, so I'm gonna have to get back up there. But you're gonna go right here and jump. See, that's why I need a grappler. Now, necessarily, you don't need one. I just like it. So this is the second room. I don't care about my grappler because I could always get a new one. And plus, my friend owns the grapplers. So what is there to worry about when he owns the grapplers? this there. So my backpack is almost like it's not even halfway full, and I've already got like about 12 of them. I don't know. Now I just like this room a bit better because it has more blue ones. And I fell. Okay, of course I fell. This is why the ray gun's helpful. If you don't have enough for the ray gun, I think that's just a womp womp for you. Okay, so this is just an example of how much I get with not even a full backpack, not even like halfway for a full backpack. Like I can't even like move. Oh frick, I forgot to do that. My bad. Hold on, let me grab my ray gun real quick. Oh no, oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. This is why a ray gun's helpful. Because if this ever happens. Oh my gosh, now I just lost even more. This is not good. Not looking too good for me, guys. Wait till I flip back. And then when you drop it again, drop my ray gun in here, so I'm gonna have to get that back. Then I'm gonna have to get that back. Drop it in there. Get that back. Oh, frick. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, no. I hate this game actually. I did not grab this. Bro, I literally... Oh my gosh. I'll grab that one later. Now you're coming with me, bud. No. I don't think any more flew away, but I will check just in case. Okay, well, womp womp for me if, like, I already, like, watch this. Now watch how much I get, just from not even a full backpack. Where's my backpack? Yeah, okay. See, I already got 4,000. Now I'm at 46,000, so profit of 2,600. So every time you go, well, if you buy a ray gun, it's approximately up to 16,000 every time you go. If you, approximately 16,000 every time you go if you get a full backpack with a blue backpack. Okay, that's kind of hard to say, but that's fine. No, you come back here. You're not. Okay, yeah, well, that's the video today, guys. I will see you in the next video, and hope you have a great day. Goodbye.